This new generation of young people, more than any other generation before, crave to work for a company that does something good and has a sense of purpose. My name is Howard Leonhardt. Most of my life I've spent developing products for treating cardiovascular and heart disease. Conscious capitalism and social good impact are the foundation of the California Stock Exchange. Some people say, what is conscious capitalism? Conscious capitalism is the idea that companies that treat people well, treat their community well, and have a sense of purpose actually are going to be more profitable in the long run. Too often, Wall Street companies sell short their future in exchange for short-term gain. They cut their R&D budget. They cut wages and salaries for people. They cut plants. They cut marketing. They cut education. But everybody in the company knows that the CEOs that have done this have sold the company short for the future. We believe in profits, but we don't believe in short-term profits at the expense of sustainability. People that believe doing good is not just good for good's sake, but it's also good business, are now going to have a marketplace where they can meet, the California Stock Exchange. A place where doing good by doing well becomes the norm rather than the exception. We really take a hard look at the innovation culture of the company, whether the employees are happy, whether the customers are happy. All of these things to us are going to be primary indicators to determine who is listed on the California Stock Exchange and where we drive investors to invest within the California Stock Exchange. Our stock exchange is going to have certain hallmarks different from the existing stock exchange. No day trading, no short trading, higher levels of transparency than any stock exchange that had ever come before, promoting local investing, promoting greater access for minorities to financing. We're going to be the first stock exchange that goes to great lengths to improve the 95-to-5 gender gap in venture financing. In the last 2 decades, women-owned enterprises have only received 5% of all venture financing in the United States. 95% of venture financing dollars have gone into men-owned enterprises. The California Stock Exchange is committed to end this inappropriate gender gap and to provide women entrepreneurs with greater access to capital than ever before. So we have a chance to come out of this recession leading the world in a new direction. If we create an environment where the companies that do good and treat people well are the ones thriving, we can transform capitalism. We can reboot capitalism, capitalism 2.0, a capitalism that's more connected to the heart, that allows more people to love what they're doing every day, to allow more people to feel good about what they're doing, to allow more innovations than ever to come forward. The California Stock Exchange